What is up, my fellow jewelers? Today I got a fabulous bracelet for you. It's a little clustery, it's a little blingy, and it's all fabulous. Look at the oh my goodness, look at the sparkle on those beads and look at the chunky monkiness of it. I love it. These pearls really make this bracelet pop. So how about you and me get started and I'll teach you how to make this fabulousness. So this is what you're gonna need to make this fabulous, cute bracelet. You always need your tools. I have my cutter tools, which is my electrician cutter tools, and my jewelry cutter tools. I have my long nose pliers, my round nose pliers. For material, I have lots of beads. I have so many beads. I have 13 of each color, so 26 little pearl beads. I have 3 blinging beads. For every bead, you are going to need a head pin. And then I have chain. My chain is a bit small, and so there are 4 links between each bead. And so I have 4 links here, 4 links here, 4 links here, and 4 links here. And then I have my lobster clasp. I wanted to do a bigger clasp because the person I'm giving it to, her husband's going to put it on, so I was going to make it easy on her husband. So I have my lobster clasp with a little split ring on it, and then a hoop for the lobster clasp to click into. I have 2 split rings so that the split rings will go into the lobster clasp to the chain. And so that's pretty simple. That's all the material you will need. The first thing I want to do is I want to put a double loop on my bigger beads. And so I'm going to get a head pin to do that. I'm going to put my head pin through my bead. Just like that. I am going to, it's going to be a medium-sized loop. I'm going to pull my wire back at a 90-degree angle, and then I'm going to put the wire in the middle of my round nose pliers and start making a loop. So I'm going to curl it in, I'm going to go back and go further and then curl it in some more and then curl it in some more until I make a cute loop. So I got loop for one side, and then I'm going to go on the other side, and I'm going to, that's too much wire, so I'm going to cut it. I'm going to cut it. And then I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to bend it back at a 90-degree angle and then loop, 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 and make a second loop. So for your big beads, you're going to need to make 2 loops for each big bead. So go ahead and do that. Now, for our smaller beads you're going to put in between, you're going to need to make 1 loop for the bead. You're going to put 1 loop on one side and the head pin on the other side. So I'm going to take my head pin and I am going to put it through my pearl, just like that. I am going to cut one side to make a smaller loop. I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to get it back at a 90-degree angle, and then I'm going to loop it smaller. So I'm going to put the wire closer toward the tip of my round nose pliers, and then I'm going to loop it around. Loop, 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 loop. Yeah. I'm going to do that. And you're going to do that for all your little beads that you're going to put in between the big bead. And so I've already done that. So let's just go to the next step. So because I've already put 1 loop on every bead, I am going to now hook my bracelet together. So I'm not going to put my little beads on. I'm not going to put my pearls on yet. I'm going to put my bracelet together. So I actually want to take my split ring. I'm going to open it up. And I am going to put it through my lobster clasp and then put it on one of my links. Put it through one of my links, and then I am going to close it up. Okay, so did that, and now I am going to connect the chain to one of my beads. I'm going to open up the loop that I made on it and put it through the other side and close that up. So do you see? We have that we have that going on. Then I'm going to open my other side of my loop, and I'm going to put my chain through, and then close up this loop. Make sure there's no gap or the chain will come off. Make sure there's no gap on that loop. And then I'm going to open up this bead, open up 1 loop, and put the chain through. Yeah. Oh my goodness. Isn't that so cute? So cute. And then I'm going to open up the other side, put the chain through, and then I'm going to open up this and put the chain through again on my other bead. Oh, looking cute. This is so cute. It's gonna be gorgeous when it's done. I'm gonna open up my other side again. Put my link through. Oh. And then take my split ring, open up my split ring, and put my link through, and then the hoop that my lobster clasp will connect to. So I'm gonna close this up. Yeah. So that is your bracelet. Oh, we could just leave it there. I mean, you could just leave it and not put any of the extra beads on. But because I want a little cluster, I want a little chunky monkey going on, I'm going to put all these beads. I'm going to do either 2 or 1 pearl per link. So I'm going to take my first one. You can start anywhere. You can just start anywhere. I'm going to start in the middle. Just gonna be all crazy like that, starting in the middle. Open up my loop, and then I'm gonna put it through my link, close it up, and I got my first bead on. And then I'm gonna take my next pearl, gonna take my next bead, open up the link, and then I'm going to put it on the same link as my other one. That's right. Do you see that? So now what you're gonna do is, and what I'm gonna do, but off screen, I'm gonna put all these beads on every single link, and some 2 to a link and some 1 to a link, depending on how I feel. So go ahead and do that. Oh, look at this, look at this, look at oh, it's so cute. These beads, these pearls of dark blue and light blue really make this bracelet pop. Look at, oh my goodness, that is so stinking cute all around. I love it, I love it, I love it, and I love it. Oh my gosh, I really, I love all the stuff I make, I have to admit, I really do. But isn't this just fabulous? Big old thumbs up for me if you thought this is fabulous and cute and easy and all of that, all of that. So the 28th is the last day you can comment on any January 2018 video to be entered in the drawing for this fabulous necklace. Fabulous, fabulous, fabulous. So remember, January 28th, that whole day you can enter in until 11:59 p.m. And then within 2 days of January 28th, I will be picking a winner for this necklace. Fabulous, fabulous. If you want to know more details, you can look in the comments below. And that is all I got for you guys today. If you want to know when I post more videos, you can click right here to subscribe. And then here's another one of my videos I've made of how to make fabulous pieces of jewelry. And here's another video I've made for other jewelry pieces. But that's it. So I'd love to hear your comments. I'd love for you to share this video and give me a big old thumbs up. All right, I love you guys. I'll talk to you later. Fabulous, fabulous, fabulous. All right, love you. Mwah. Bye.